Hello guys, welcome back. In this video, I'll explain you or I'll show you a live demo on how to use Bolt AI for performing vibe coding. Now, I'll explain you by using Bolt, how can you able to simply build a website within seconds to minutes. Now, I'm searching for Bolt AI so that you can see the website is this. Now I'm opening it. I've previously logged in it, so that's why you can see my account is already logged in here. Now, so what I'm doing is I'm just typing here my comment, like what I'm expecting to do. Let's say I want to create a restaurant website. I want a, I have a restaurant. So I want to create a restaurant website. So let's enter this. So let's see what it can do. I just provided a simple prompt. Now you can see whatever the required files for my website, those all will be created here. And you can see all the dependencies also installing here. So based on this, you can able to observe that. And the code also automatically creating in these files. So after creating these files and the code written inside this, what this will do is it even runs you based on your comments, like code building, code testing, as well as code running. Everything it can able to do for you. You can see. So you can start it. It also starts an app for you. You can see it started app and the preview session is running, so it will take a few seconds to load. You can see this is how the website will be, finalized website. Now let's see. Yeah, so here you can see there are no items in my, there are no items. Yeah, there are few items are there. Images are not visible, right? Yeah, so I want to update it. Update the images of items in my restaurant. So like that, you just provide some insights in the form of input prompt so that this will do or this will perform respective actions. So you are like telling the prompt so that everything will be performed by using this Bolt AI. Like you are developing the whole website. Here you are not writing any code. Here you are not doing anything. Just by using simple English, you are providing your inputs or updates or debugging whatever the requirement of your, so that it will update it and it will even debug and it will even run it and provide you that. So here you can see the website. Now you can see the pictures. The first picture, second picture. Okay, I think it changed the pictures, but still the first picture was not visible. For the first one, the picture is not visible. Second one, you can see the picture is this. Yeah. So for my website, you can see I have a menu bar, about is there, as well as hours is there, as well as contact is there. But there is, so what do you expect in general? In general, I would like to add like cart. Inside the cart, if any user want to add some items, then he can able to add. And if he wants to book that or if he wants to buy that, then he also requires that payment, right? Yes. So that property also I want to add. So for that also you just need to tell it here. So before that I want to modify this till the first image for this item is not visible. So update it. So like that I provided some prompt so that it will update and provide us some another image here so that this item also visible to us. Yeah. So it's just updating. So now if you observe in this vibe coding, so what happening directly from prompt to where it is mapping to website, right? Yes. We are not even putting our hand inside this code. Directly the AI is taking care of the code and everything. We're just getting the finalized output. You can see. So this is how our website will be. Now it's updated the image as well. Okay, now I want to add a functionality to my website. What is that? Cart for users. Every user can able to add items to his cart. Then whenever he likes, then he will do checkout of payment. So I want to add that payment related as well. Payment related functionality as well. So after payment got done, tell the confirmation. So like this, I provided or I want to add some more functionality. So as you can see, you hit the limit, so that's why you cannot able to do further more things. Okay, but I can show you my previous request related response. So as you can see, I asked it to add some functionality like add items to the cart and option to book the cart. As you can see, cart option is added to me, and I can able to add my items to the cart. And then even I click on reserve, I can able to reserve specific date and specific time, and I can able to specify number of guests and the name of a specific person and the phone number of that person, and I click on confirm as well. Confirm as well, so that so it can even provide me the registration got submitted successfully. So like that, so those two features also added. Like this, just by prompting in vibe coding, you can able to directly generate your website without even writing a piece of code in it by using this bolt AI. And coming to supported languages, this will support only web development languages. It does not support any other programming languages. That is, it supports .js and some other, and it does not support the languages like Spring Boot. So let's say if you want to develop some Spring Boot application, simple Spring Boot application also, it does not able to support for it. And so at the end, let's see the pricing. So coming to pricing, you can see, so there are some limits as well per month for Pro. So this is the pricing related details. So I think they are charging a bit more compared to others. So while using this website, so consider this pricing as well. They are maintaining the pricing in these four formats: Pro, Pro 50, Pro 100, and Pro 200. For Pro, it's charging $20 per month, and for Pro $50, $50 and $100 and $200 are there. So based on the charge, they'll provide us those many number of requesting chances. So based on that, we'll get the fine-tuned output. and you can see the free tier limits. So for every free user, they're providing us 15,000 tokens. That is 150,000 tokens daily limit, and 1 million tokens for monthly limit. Hope this is sufficient for us. So currently for me, those are exhausted. Like I used them previously, like many requests have been done by me today. So that's why there is no option for me to use anymore. And the subscription you can able to cancel anytime, and the plan you can able to change as well in middle. So that's about this Bolt AI, how to use it for vibe coding to develop any website. So I hope you understood this video. So see you back in the next video. Comment your opinion on vibe coding using Bolt AI. So thanks for watching again. See you back in the next video with an interesting topic. Until then, bye bye guys.